Hey, what's up everyone? Eramadaz Designs here, and in today's video I will show you how to draw Lionel Messi portrait as a vector illustration in Adobe Illustrator in 5 easy steps. Firstly, let's prepare the canvas for the illustration. The canvas size for this drawing will be 1000 by 1000 pixels, and I select RGB color mode with 300 ppi as raster effect. Then I delete these unnecessary color swatches and import my custom color palette for today's drawing. After that, I import my reference image into the canvas, center it, and slightly scale it up. Then I double-click on the layer to open the Layer option window. I will turn the layer into a template and choose the opacity 50%. First step, I will create a new layer and name it Outline. Then, I will select the pen tool, and I will be using a black stroke with rounded caps and corners for the outline. Let's go ahead and create all the outlines for our character using the pen tool. By the way, if you are first time to my channel and you love Adobe Illustrator process videos and tutorials, then I like to invite you to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss an upload. To clean up these overlapping lines, I will be using the Shape Builder tool to make the illustration seem more interesting. To make the illustration seem more interesting, I will be using the Width tool to create taper in the lines. Then, after selecting all the shapes, I use the Reflect tool and click on this anchor point to reflect the shapes to the other side. Okay, let's finally start adding our base colors to the drawing. Create a new layer and name it Color. Then select all the shapes on the outline layer and copy them to the color layer by dragging while holding the Alt key. Then I will lock the outline layer and hide it. Select and delete shapes of the details like eyes, nose, mouth, etc. Then outline the strokes on your color layer by going to Object and Path. Unite these new shapes with the Pathfinder panel and then release the compound path. Finally, we can delete the outer shape and then add the base colors for your shapes. Great, now we can add shadows and highlights to our drawing. Here I add the facial hair to the illustration. And there you have it. Lionel Messi in Adobe Illustrator using 5 simple and easy steps. Hope you enjoyed the video and let me know who you'd like me to draw next. See you next time. Cheers.